Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain how to fix Canva Magic Studio not working. So let's get started. First, make sure that you are on your browser. Within the search bar, type canva.com. Also, make sure that you are logged in with your Canva account. When you are on your home screen, you will see different options at the left corner. Within it, tap Create Icon. It shows different templates. You can choose any based on your preference level. Once selected, it will redirect you to a new page. Within the menu section, if you see Magic Media, Magic Design, or Magic Write, it means that the Magic Studio is available for your account. But if you don't see that, you can just refresh the Canva page, or you can just log out and log in back. This reloads the latest Canva interface and often fix the issues. But many Magic Studio's features require Canva Pro or Canva T. If you are using the free plan, some tools may not appear or may store your user limit. Also, make sure to clean your browser cache and cookies, or try opening Canva in other browsers like Microsoft Edge. Sometimes Magic Studio features issues are also occurred by division. So even with the same account type, some users may get features earlier than the others. And that's how you can easily fix Canva Magic Studio not working in the browser. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.